Oh, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it's pretty windy out there. I decided to come out and go coyote hunting, and it's extremely windy. But let's see if you can see this back here. Road dog. Yep. It's a terrible day for calling, but still gave her a shot. Managed to mail so far. Gonna drive around and see if we can see any more. Well, it's getting pretty bad. This is some serious gusts. Gonna probably go try another area. The spot I was gonna go, I've had lots of coyotes this year. I went with my dad, and there were coyotes howling all around us, but then it got windy, storming like this, so we called in one coyote before the storm hit, and then it was bad, so we called it a day. But I wanted to get back up in there today, but it doesn't look like it's happening, so we can go drive to some other areas, see if the wind's not as bad.